Hello, welcome to this new video of Two Villas on a Hill, where today finally we're going to see a big difference on the facade. So let's start immediately with this, and if you want to follow the channel and receive notification when there is new video, please push on the subscribe button and you will get all the news when they come out. There it is, guys. We finally have the ceramic, the wood ceramic put on the facade. And that is how it looks like. So let me know in the comments if you like it or not. It was the darkest shade that we picked, and now the next step is going to paint this kind of inverted S in white. So I think it's going to give some more contrast. I will move on and show you the other facade. There you are. Cannot see it as well because there is no sun, but this side of the house now is almost done as well. So I want a bit outside for you to have a good overview of how it's going to look now that all the filling is done. It still doesn't look like much because of this gate and all those things around the house. Not sure what it's called in English, to be honest. I have to look it up in the dictionary. Yeah. Let's move down. I am now downstairs, and the word I was looking for is scaffolding. So good to know. So now if you look, maybe, not sure if it's gonna look good on the camera, but you can see that it really is plain. Now the finishing is very flat and smooth, so it looks more finished, and I hope next time it's going to be painted and maybe without scaffolding around the house. I think it will make a big difference visually. Okay, but we'll move inside and show you the little change that happened over those last 2 weeks. So this time I said I was going inside, and I changed my mind, and I'm going to start from the bottom up to the top of the house this time. So let's start with the swimming pool. Now the swimming pool, you can see that the walls have been built, so it should give you a better idea of how it's going to look like. Although of course it's missing the whole shape of the swimming pool that will be made out of armed concrete. So it's concrete with steel inside, and yet you can already see how it's going to look like. Now let's move inside. You can see that compared to last time, many things, walls have been closed, meaning the electricity is done. The ceiling has been put as well. Of course it will need some finishing, it's not done yet, but that's the 8 it's going to be. I'm not sure how we're going to hide this column yet, still working on it, but it was impossible to do this room and 2 more floors without having this column right here. Yeah, the yoga has been closed, the yoga studio has been closed, and the AC entrance as well. Looking good, makes me happy. Here too, you can see the entrance of the AC. There nothing happened. We'll go 1 level higher. Entrance has been closed. We're still missing the entrance door. It's in process. So garage, yeah, has been closed as well. The ceiling has been put. So yeah, it is not super exciting part of it, but it is necessary. So the AC has been closed, it's hidden now. Last week you could see it all, now it's closed. And same thing for dressing. We see the light, it's gonna come here, and actually many more LEDs will come as well. The office, and you can see the ceramic. how it's going to look like. Well, how it looks like actually, not it's going. It is the way it looks like. So it is pretty dark brown. It's getting ready to put the floor. I think starting soon. Constructor told me that they received all the floors a few days ago, so they're going to start putting them on the floor and then the window, because you need to put the floor before the window. Okay, so here, see here, for example, no ceiling yet. All right, let's move on one more floor. See, ceiling everywhere. It looks very good. Looks more like a actual house. Elevator is still pending. It's coming too. And yeah, we're having ceilings almost everywhere now. That's pretty awesome. But still. And yeah. Been closed in there. I think it was closed already last time. And the giant terrace in the back. A wonderful view on our neighborhood. And yeah, the sea, I don't know. I guess when there will be another house. Maybe not. By the way, guys, I think this land next to us is for sale as well. This is two lands. One there and one there, sorry. And one here. So if anyone is interested, it's for sale. We're having the shower with the air conditioning and the shower, yeah, with the little wall. It's been done to put the shampoo, so there's no need to add any accessories. It's already made with a wall. Okay, now we're coming to the top rooms where, yeah, AC has been installed yet. I saw they did this and this is wrong, so they're going to have to redo it. It should be a wall like in the other bathroom, and I saw that yeah, that's a mistake, so they will need to correct it this week. And here, I think everything was closed already. We're having some ceramic on the front as well, as you can see. So it all goes, it's a good mix in the house. It's not just the side facade. You can see we have also ceramic, we didn't know it. Ceramic on this one, which is one tone lighter, I think, than ours. Okay, see that the vent for AC has been finished here too. It's looking good. And yeah, it's been closed here too with the access to the AC unit. And this bathroom is almost, no, it is done too. Okay, and they installed also to put the shampoo, to do it a bit differently in this one, as it's a bit tighter, or the disposition doesn't make it that easy to do a wall like we did in the others. And yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the updates on this house. I will now go down to the other house, Villa Olla, which is right there. I haven't seen yet the update, so let's have a look together. I think it will be less visual as they're still working the electricity and water supply. But let's go and let's have a look. Hey guys, I'm now downstairs in front of Villa Olla. So looking quickly into it, there is not so many changes that are exciting about it. So for the sake of the video, I will still go inside and show you, so you can follow up also, but not as much as I would expect to. So let's move on. So first thing is that those walls that were about to be done last time are actually done on the side. On the front and on the outside, this mortar still hasn't been put. It's more, I see that they are more working inside about electricity, water, and closing ceiling and walls, as you can see. Okay, so it's getting there too. Cage, staircase has been, everything's been closed slowly. See, there is more walls than it used to have. Okay. So this is maybe the more advanced part, as they are kind of working top down instead of bottom up. Of course, the view always come here. And bathroom, one of them. You can see that it's water supply ready. And electricity, yeah, it's ready to, just missing the cable to pull the cable, but that's very easy and quick to do. Okay, let's go one level down. So there is some change. There are some changes. It's not like nothing happened. Would be overstatement. Getting now into dressing room. It's getting ready for the air conditioning and heating system to be installed. Water is finished. Looking good. Okay, I can't go there. We'll go the other way. And the other room. So we have a lot of shade here, natural shade, due to the shape of the house. Yeah, now some looking quite good, looking pretty good actually. I understated it. All right, let's go now to guest room they call it. We have some dressing, some furniture here. It will be put in the wall. Well, in the wall. It's been made, right? And where the bed will be. Right. And another bathroom. Yep. Okay, let's move on. Still need to close this part. It's getting there. Okay. Now the bottom floor or planta baja. Plugins, connections. Yep. Still work in process, of course. Like I said, they're working top down, so that's the last place. I think in 2 weeks should be closed here. Let's see. Not sure. So the connection has been done for the island of the kitchen. It's very good too. Let's move on to the yard, where biggest improvement or change are those stairs have been made. So now we can go down easily on the platform. And I see that the brick walls of the swimming pool are done as well. So this one is going to be a infinity pool. And yeah, so it's getting ready for construction, to do the construction company to the final shape of the swimming pool. Because those walls are not going to hold, of course. You need to have armed concrete to hold the pressure of the water. And I think some new stairs have been done on the other side, which I can show you as well. You see the facade is getting down slowly, so it's not that exciting at the moment to look at it from far away or to have a closer look to it. Walls is being done, and yeah, those stairs are new too. It's looking good. Looking good, guys. And those stairs are done as well, so now we can go from each platform without any trouble. Awesome. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the visit and that you could see some new updates that you liked. If you did, please give us a like on the video, and if you want to make sure that you do not miss any updates or new notification from new videos, please push on the subscribe button and you will get notified as soon as we have a new video ready for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in 2 weeks. Take care. Bye.